Welcome back to the channel on the beautiful Space Coast of Florida. Today I wanted to switch things up and hit the beach in hopes of catching some groceries, either pompano or whiting. Targeting pompano during the summer can be super tough. They're scattered, but they're still out there. I've really been wanting to get into pompano fishing, especially with the upcoming fall run. People have been catching croakers up and down the beach while fishing for pompano, so I knew that I had a pretty solid chance of getting one where I could throw it in the trough at the possibility of a snook. If you're in Brevard County, or if you just want to see pompano / beach fishing, mullet run fishing, drop a comment, let me know. I just set up here. There's turtle was not around. They were all standing here. I knew there was a turtle up on the dunes, but I just had to move my cart so I don't interfere with him. Very interesting. So we got some fish gum. First time throwing this ever. So the first thing I did was throw some fish gum on my pompano rig and get it out there while I'm setting everything else up. At least I have a rod out there soaking with the possibility of a bite. And then I'll go ahead and start trying to catch sand fleas. So I am not catching sand fleas with my hands anymore. It is a pain in the butt. I ended up purchasing a really nice sand flea rig, so I'll be ready to go for fall time. That was crazy. Perfect size croaker. If you pompano fish or use fish bites or fish gum, go down in the comments and tell me your experience. Do you like fish gum better? Do you think it produces more than fish bites? I'd love to know. I'm finding some stud sand fleas down here in Melbourne Beach on the first week of August. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just got 2 stud sand fleas by hand. I need a rake. So that's what we're doing. Sand flea tipped with a little bit of fish gum to hold it on there. And hopefully this will do it, man. Come on, one pompano. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and put the croaker in the well. Wow. Definitely sniffy. Oh yeah. Come on. No, come on. There you go.
32.
30?
Ooh, 33!
Nice.
Hey, what's it? Yeah, you could probably.
No, yeah, no.
Okay.
You just
I'm Sandy.
Thank you so much. So after using the DJI Action 5 to get some video of me releasing the snook, it did not want to turn on and it was bugging out. Not much happened after that was too exciting other than a small pompano undersize. If you made it to the end of the video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. We're going to have some new videos coming up. Mullet runs right around the corner. Also the fall run pompano. Like I said, comment down below if you want to see more pompano content. And I'll be talking about Brevard County surf reports. I'll give the exact date, water clarity, amount of sand fleas, how the fish are biting, all that stuff. So you guys stay tuned for that and we'll see you in the next video.